There we go. All right. Someone decided to join us. I had to move the stuff away, so he had a little spot to lay down. No problem. I also have a lot of stuff on my lap. I'm not sure what I want to do with those, if they come out easy. I couldn't find any videos real quick, and I got a lot on my mind, like one more mouse. Because we have another mouse over there, but it's missing the USB receiver, wireless receiver. So I need to go and find a cheap one or whatever. Or just use it for parts. It's not that important. I have one wired working and one wireless working. I don't need two, right? Yeah, I don't need two. So let's open up this bad boy. I will tell you, I have not opened it up, at least I don't think so. If I did, it's been a long time ago. But when I plug it in, it ding, 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 ding. That's what Windows does when it's reading it. And it keeps on shutting off. And it looks like if I mess with this part, it especially messes up. This part here. I think if I was going to fix that, I would have to cut it and get one that works. I'd have to find out where the short is. Which shouldn't be that hard, I don't think. But because, you would just keep on moving it until it would start to short. I guess if you do it this way, you're doing the whole line until it stops. I don't know. But we're going to open this bad boy up, see if it's the cable that's bad. If it is, we'll see what kind of cable this has, and we'll see what we can do. Maybe we'll be the Mouse King. I'm trying the same screwdriver that I've been using. I know I should probably make sure, but I don't know. It's fitting on the hole, and it's turning, and so we're turning. Another screw. This one is smaller and like whiter. All right. So I am, and I've been wearing pajamas. I'm on spring break. Some people go naked. I go in my pajamas. Ugh. This should just come out. And I think it just did. Checking. Nothing came out. This is odd. Oh, one is dirty. I would get these from work. And I would take them home and not use them. Not play with them. Because I was afraid I would realize that I cannot fix things. I don't know why I think I can. I always have this dream of fixing things, but I can't fix anything. So it goes into a box, and I leave it in the box. And then I have a collection of old broken stuff in a box. And I tell myself, they're not broken. They just don't work. There's a difference. Looks like I gotta be careful with that. What's that? I don't know what that is. It's like a white piece. I'm just trying to pull out some of the dust. I know I can't get all of it out, but try to get some of it out. So I guess I haven't been in here before. Looks like a simple, simple jobber. These are jobbers, and that's a jobber, and that's another jobber, jobber. Little tiny jobbers. These tin ones mean something. There's a light. I know that. I think they call them LEDs, light emitting diodes. Then there's these. I know what these are. These are clamps that hold the board in place. They have holes for mice that they never, not mice, screws that they never use. I never understood that. Sorry, it was floating way too high. But it looks like they have a hole there for for a screw and a hole there, but there's no screws. There never were screws. I don't know. I don't get it. I know I should use air, but I'm too lazy to go get it. It's just in the other room, but I'm not that guy, okay? All right, so I'm going to take it out. Now I got to be careful because I have a loose cable. I might mix them up. Because I have two loose cables, but one's gray and one's black, and the gray goes to the gray mouse and the black goes to the black mouse, so I can kind of keep that straight in my head. I think I need a flathead. And I know I have one. Little tiny one, little tiny jobber. This might be too small. You'd think if it's that far up. Let's do this. Ah, there we go. All right. So this is the broken one that we think. So let's go do that real quick. Put the screwdriver there. Put the glasses back on. I don't know why. I guess it's just because these glasses are so broken that I don't like wearing them. But I'm too proud to get new ones. I don't know. First thing I do is checking the wires. They look okay. And I should be able to tell. The working one is actually, it feels cheaper. It's the only way I can explain it. It just feels cheaper. Well, the broken ones feel not cheap. I swear, I was getting like zeros. I don't know what I did to get zeros. I mean, spot on zeros. I don't know. But the numbers do go down. I don't think I'm in anything. 'Cause I'm going for days. Sorry. I go to red because I'm on the edge. I go to black. Go. It shouldn't. Well, that might be because I'm hitting it wrong. Okay, the red hit that time. Now we're doing the last. The last should be the black one. It's it's jumping, but I think it's shorting. And then the middle should be the either the white or the green. And that one just jumped like it wants to, but it can't. I'm gonna go to the second middle, I hope. And that one jumps as white. Again. This one jumps at green. Yep. They're not happy numbers. They're not like stable numbers. I'm getting nothing. But I think it's the cable. So we are going to look at this cable and look at, whoops, that was my computer, at this one and just check them out. And we see that they look incredibly alike. Does that mean that this Logitech, which I can barely read, and this, I don't even know what kind of this is. I don't think I should have looked at it. It says it's a Dell. Huh. Am I covering? Oh, yeah, I am covering up the Dell in that sticker. It's a Dell. So Dell and Logitech use the same. Let's just see if they use the same color format. Black, 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 black. Red, yellow, green. Yeah, they both use the same. And they're both pitted the same, or the shapes are the same. So we think that this is broken and this is not. Shut off that. And then let's get this bad boy. Because we're thinking if we take, oh, that doesn't look good. Oh, I was trying to put it in backwards. I know, I was having trouble getting it out, so I'll probably have a little trouble getting it in. Probably have to mess with the cord to get it wrapped in there right. But we just want to try it out real quick, see what happens when we plug it in. Probably going to electrocute ourselves. Electrocute the laptop, probably going to blow up the whole world as we know it because failures shouldn't try. Just waiting. It says it's setting up the device. And it's moving the mouse. All right. You don't hear any noises. I don't hear any noises. Oh, device is ready. So I gotta reroute the cord because it's a different, because the mice of the internal things are different. So I just have to wrap it around. But that's it. We got a mouse. So it took us took us 4 mice to find one that works. Does it get easier? No, because we're gonna be soldering and shit, right? All right. Yep is very excited. Let me take Yep is very excited. If you can tell, excited, jumping up and down. Wants to go out and poop and pee. But we got 2 projects done. I don't care what you say. How not to make a Raspberry Pi case. Look, if you go from the beginning of the day, well, the beginning of the day was naked. Then we had this piece of crap. And then we came with this. I mean, I'm about to, which I forgot one of the cords. I'm about to put the cables on and see if it'll start up. What happens is it'll start up, it'll boot up, and then I go to YouTube and it'll just shut off over and over again. I've played Minecraft on it, but I didn't know what to do, so I just kept on digging until I died. And I guess that's the game. I won. Yay! I beat Minecraft. I don't know why people take so long in it. So that's about it. Two things we did. I'm just going to put it all back together. Yeah, you don't need to say that. No one's going to watch this anyway. But we're out. Peace and love. I can't believe this worked. Huh. Crazy. All right, I'm out of here. This is my last video. I swear. And this time I fucking mean it.